पकड़ 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 पकड़।
It was a peaceful afternoon by the riverside. A crowd has gathered, men, women, even children watching the water, waiting for the waves to rise. Some wanted to take pictures, some just wanted to see nature's power up close. But suddenly, a strong wave rushed in, unexpected and fierce. In a few seconds, the water swept over the edge, pulling a few people into the current. Panic broke out, people screamed, and the moment of excitement turned into heartbreak. This tragic scene teaches us something very important. Curiosity must always be balanced with caution. When we ignore safety warnings or step too close just to see better, we put our lives at risk. Nature is beautiful, but it's also powerful and unpredictable. Whenever you are near the ocean, a river, or any open water, keep a safe distance and listen to safety officials.